Alright, I thought I was gonna be done for the day, but I guess I'll do one more. Uh, so the problem is the best time to buy and sell stock, and we're gonna need a left and a right pointer. So the left pointer is gonna equal 0, and our right pointer is gonna equal 1 for the index. Then we need a variable to keep track of the max profit, so we can just initialize it with 0. Then the loop is gonna look a little different because we're always going to be updating the right pointer. So first we just got to check if our left pointer is less than our right pointer. If it is, then we want to calculate the profit, and we just do that by our right pointer minus our left pointer. Then once we get the profit, we just want to update our max profit. We do that by comparing the current max with the profit that we just got. Then else, that means that our right pointer is bigger than our left pointer. So we want to update our left pointer to the right, like that. Then like earlier, like I said, the for loop, we always want to update our right pointer. Then after this, we can just return our max value. I mean our max profit, like that.